Hi guys, so today this is a Peugeot Expert 215 plate. I'm working on the gear cables. You can see here I moved the front panel to get to the gear cables. So the complaint was the gear is too tight, so I have to remove the gear cables. So you can see gear cables out on both sides. You can see over out and this side out and this panel out, just to get to the gear cables. And you have to move the other side from the gearbox, and I'll show you how. So I'm from the engine side, he's from the engine side. So if you check, this is one cable is there because this is the selector, gear selector. You can see it's very tight. Oh, cable's not really good, really tight, man. You can see one here and one probably in there, that one. So you need to move this one from here, from this to the engine side, and this one here you need to move the tires, the near side tires, to move this one. Yeah. So this side you have to move the near side tires, front tires, to get to the cables. This is the cable. So this is the cable. You have to move it. So you just choke it here a bit, then bar it up. Choke it inside, then bar. So the other one move from up, and this side move from here. The last bit. So you need to go under beneath the car to move this one. So you just, if you can see it properly, so you just turn it this way, then push it back, turn it, push it back, then pull it up. Fucking stiff. Oh, let's try this one. Got it out. Yeah, just turn it, push it. Turn it, push it back. So it's off. So now we can do it. You can put something like a bar here, then hit it to the hammer. Put a bar here, then hit it to hammer up if it's too stiff. So you just shift the cable to the side here. Then you come this side. If you can see this plate. So this one is one connected to the cables, to the ones inside. So you need to like put like a screwdriver here just to bite a bit down here, and because it's totally one here and one here, just bar it down. When you bar it down, then push it inside. Yeah. So you bar it here. Then when you finish barring it, then you just push it inside. You see, if you just go straight in the inside, push your plugs to inside, then you go straight in. Yeah. So you can see it's going inside. After you bar it, just push it inside. Then you have to go inside, then pull it off from up. So you can see it's pushed from inside to this side. So you just pull it out gently. Pull it out gently. Yeah. And this is your cables. This is your cables, your gear cables. This is the new one. I put a new one because the gear is too stiff. Yeah. So this is the new one, new gear cables. So normally normally I put grease here to make it to sliding in. Put grease here to make it lubricant to put click it in, and also I put grease here in this side and this side to be easy to put inside. So basically you choke the cables inside properly. You can see it going inside. So this side should be at the passenger side. This side should be at the passenger side. You can see. So you need to put it inside, choke it with something. Then you need to go under, back to under, to clip it first before fixing the inside. So you need to fix under first before fixing the inside. You know what I mean? Because you need to click this one, make sure it clicks properly inside. Then normally it's a two-man job. Someone that will help you to click the inside. But me, because based on my experience, I can do it on my own. You get? So yeah. So basically the cable is in already. So I have to put this one here. This one, yeah, be here to clip it in. That's it. This side. Just clip it in, man. Yeah, but remember to put grease. I'm just hanging it here, just hanging it. Then I'll go under, then fix the under fix before fixing these ones. So you can see this one is properly in, right in. If you look from this side, you can see the clip up, and this one up, and this one down. So all I need to do is just to put the grease first. Put the grease first at these two places. So a bit of this side. Use your hand to put it inside. Then wait for this one too. So basically the new ones are on. But now it's time to clip it. So you have to clip that one, and you have to come from this side to clip the other one on top. Yeah, you can see the both sides are clipped now. Now this side, the down, you're done with the down. So now you can put back your tires, and you just need to focus on the inside. Yeah, so you have to come back to the inside, then put grease. You can see grease on my hand. They put a little bit grease. You can rub it here on the pin joints, and you can rub it at this side too. On this side. Yeah. Then you just face this on this side, then push it in. Oh, because it's very hard pushing it in. You need like a then you need like a grip plus to just push it in. So that's what basically you do for this side and this side and this side. So that's what you do for this side. So yeah, so you just have to take that one up, then push it in. So this has pretty much for putting your gear cables on Peugeot Expert 2015 1.6 engine. You just pretty much know how to do it on your own, so you need the experience. Yeah, and if you want to learn more about these cars, just follow and subscribe for more. Thank you very much. Bye.